Hey there, welcome back. So I'm just going to dive into this topic. And the topic is Nigerian exporters FDA food facility registration fee. So my company, Mbariket, we are in the food manufacturing, refining, and export space in Nigeria. So we specialize. We have our own manufacturing facility in the state of Akwa Ibom. We also have a facility here in the United States where we do our intake of the food exported from Nigeria. It's processed here, repackaged here, and then distributed to our customers in North America. So we focus primarily in the North American market, specifically the United States market. We get orders occasionally from Mexico and occasionally from Canada. But the US market, the continental United States, including Hawaii and Alaska, that is our core market. So I wanted to point out that as an exporter in Nigeria, if you are in the food stuff space and you are looking to expand and scale outside of Nigerian borders, particularly into the United States, it's required by law. The United States policy is that your facility must be registered with the US FDA, that's the United States Food and Drug Administration. They are the governing body in the United States that regulate food imports into the United States. Okay, so according to, sorry about that. So according to the FDA's website, it's on fda.gov. Okay, owners, operators, or agents, I'm reading from their website now, in charge of domestic or foreign facilities that manufacture, process, pack, or hold food for consumption in the United States are required to register the facility with the FDA. The key word here is domestic or foreign facilities. So in our case, we have a domestic facility here in the United States and a foreign facility in Nigeria. Either or has to be registered as a facility that handles food for US consumption with the Food and Drug Administration. So there are other facilities here too that I'm not going to speak on, but it's also regulated by the FDA. It's animal and veterinary, cosmetics, drugs, medical devices, radiation emitting products, tobacco products, vaccines, blood, biologics, and so on and so forth. But today we are focused only on food because that is our industry. Okay. So the registration of food facilities and other submissions, this is really easy. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this video is because it's actually has been brought to my attention, and I am the CEO of our company. Obviously, my focus is on the Mbariket Ventures, that's our company. But it's brought to my attention just within my network that there are people out there, particularly in Nigeria, who are offering unsuspecting exporters the opportunity to get their business registered in the FDA. within the FDA, this database. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Like if you are a service provider offering a service for a fee to help a business, a food export, food manufacturing, food refining business who's looking to export into the United States, there is absolutely, it's 100% legal for you as a service provider to offer your services to help businesses, help them get into the FDA and register their facility in the FDA. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. That is 100% legal. Now, that's 100% true. Now, what is not true is implying that the Food and Drug Administration requires a fee for facilities registration. Now, a lot of exporters don't know this. Now, you hear this a lot. You hear, oh, you need FDA approval. You need FDA approval. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to export into the United States. But that is not true. There is no such thing as FDA approval. I mean, what is FDA approving? What specifically are they? What is it? It's not an approval process. The FDA is not like NAFDAC, where you have to go through a lengthy approval process to get your food products approved and registered, and then they're charging all these exorbitant fees. The FDA doesn't function like that. Instead of let me just give you an example. With NAFDAC, you have to register. Each and every product has to be registered, and they'll give you this registration number or this NAFDAC number for each and every product. In the United States, as far as FDA is concerned, you only have to register your facility. The facility that's processing the food, that's touching and handling and repackaging this food that you're planning on exporting out of the country into the US. You only have to register that one facility with the FDA. So there is no approval process. You just have to get online and fill it out yourself. So anyone who is sitting there saying you need FDA approval, that is misleading. It's not true. Now, if they want to charge, if they are charging a fee, it's in there. Of course, it's a business. They are free and clear to charge whatever fee that they want to charge you to help you list your facility with the FDA. But when they are coming at you with, oh, you need FDA approval, that is not true. And some people are charging north of 250,000 naira to help businesses list their food facility with the FDA. That is insane. I mean, if you as a business, if you have 250,000 naira to give to someone to help you do something that you could do yourself, the FDA does not require a fee for you to list your facility in their database. It's cost-free. Anyone who is charging you a fee in the guise of, oh, we have to pay the FDA to get your facility in the system, that's a lie. That is not true. That is actually a ripoff. It's not true. It is free. If you are willing to sit in front of a computer, get on the FDA.gov website, search registering facilities. So you have to search registering FDA facility registration. You can just search that on Google. What appears in the search results, you see all the services. Oh, we charge XYZ fee, this and that. It's okay to charge a fee, but you also have to remember, and I keep reiterating this, the FDA does not solicit or require a fee for you to list your facility in their database. Our facility in the United States is listed with the FDA. Why? Because this is our intake facility. We receive all of our food exports from Nigeria at this facility. They are touched, they are processed, they are repackaged in some cases, if they don't already come packaged. But as long as the product is for the United States consumers and they are touched and processed in a specific facility, that facility has to be, must by law, be listed with, be registered with the FDA. And this is something that you can do if you have the time yourself, 10 minutes of your time. Now, you can hire someone to do it for you. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. There are many service providers that like I've said, if you search registration of FDA facility on the website for food, there are hundreds of service providers out there that will help you navigate the registration process. And whatever fee that they charge, that is their own personal service fee. And that is okay. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. But the moment they start saying, oh, we have to pay FDA, it's not like the DMV, the Department of Motor Vehicles, where if you wanna register and get a new driver's license, you go in and you have to pay the DMV. That's a different story. But when it comes to the food and registering the facility with the Food and Drug Administration of the United States, it is 100% free of cost. If you want to do it yourself, it's very easy. It takes 10 minutes. If you have all your ducks in a row, it could even take you less than 10 minutes to do it yourself. And what happens is once your facility is registered, obviously they're going to need the name of the proprietors. Like our establishment, our facility here is registered with the FDA. They will need the name of the proprietor. They need a good phone number to reach you. They'll need an email. Obviously, they'll need the address of the facility. In case something comes back in the future, this is not even, and sometimes they put like this fear in you. Oh, so if something happens, with all of the food that's consumed in the United States and imported from across the world, only a fraction are ever recalled. Only a tiny percentage are ever recalled. So for instance, I'll just give an example. If our food is contaminated in any way, and this pattern of people, let's say, and I'm just using it as an example, I'll just use a general example. Let's say you are a food manufacturer in Nigeria. You import food you export food into the United States, and just for some weird, odd reason, people start getting sick from this product or from this particular food, and it keeps linking to you. Let's say your business is ABC Exports, and people are complaining about, oh, wow, this particular product is making us sick, and it's linked to ABC, it's linked to ABC, it's linked to ABC product. Now, this allows the FDA to contact you. They know where your facility is, and maybe they can, and for sure, they will either have you send samples, or they can dispatch representatives at any given time. So it's like, for now, at any given time, a Food and Drug Administration agent can walk into my facility at any given time. That is the whole point of being listed in their database. It's an oversight thing. That is really all there is to it. It's not difficult. It's not that hard. If you want to pay someone to help you, perfectly legal. If you want to pay someone to do it for you, perfectly legal. If you want to pay someone to show you how to do it, perfectly legal. But where it's illegal is when they tell you, oh, we have to pay the FDA a fee in order for you to be in their database so you can be approved. That is not true, and that is illegal. Getting your facility into the Federal Food and Drug Administration's database is 100% free to anyone on earth. It doesn't matter where you are. You might get this, oh, it's because you're in Nigeria and you have to, no, that is not true. It is 100% free. And I am willing to debate anyone that can show me that the FDA solicits and requires a fee for you to register your business in their database. Okay. So to answer the question, do Nigerian exporters pay a fee to the US FDA to list their facility in the FDA's database? The answer is no, because it's 100% free of cost to you. That's all I have. If you like this, if this is informative for you, you find it useful, please share it. Make sure you also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And check out Mbariket.com. We specialize in gari manufacturing and crayfish refining from Nigeria. We are also an OEM company. We can manufacture gari for you, utilizing our cassava plantation and the relationships that we have with cassava farmers all across Akwa Ibom State, in and around our village in Akwa Ibom State. We can manufacture gari for you, OEM, meaning it's produced specifically for you, packaged and branded for you. So as you're selling into the world, you're selling your brand, but we can make that happen for you. Same thing with crayfish. We can manufacture, not manufacture, we order crayfish directly, we source crayfish directly, rather, from fishermen in Oron, Akwa Ibom State, and processed and refined at our facility in Akwa Ibom State. Just as we package gari, we can also package crayfish for you with your own logo and with your own brand, under your own brand. So that's it. Again, if you also have any questions on this FDA facility registration thing, feel free to reach out. I mean, again, you don't really even need me for that. You can just do your research online and get it done yourself. You don't really need to pay anybody for it. People are charging 300,000 naira in some cases, claiming that the FDA requires a fee. That is not true. And again, if you need OEM gari manufacturing, let us know, and we will make it happen for you. We export globally. Although our primary market is in the United States, we can help you export to your destination country. All right, guys, that's all I have for now. All the best.